Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Ay, honey, grabe ang pagod ko talaga. I'm so looking forward to this time na makakapahinga tayo after a hard day's work. Alam mo, ang hirap talaga pag walang help sa bahay. Pero alam mo, thankful ako kasi nandyan ka talaga, Han. Thank you for sharing with me some household chores.
Claire, chill out. Relax. Ano ka ba? Halika dito. Pakinggan mo itong pinapakinggan kong podcast. Ito yung favorite natin, ha? And Claire, look. Nag-prepare ako ng sandwich.
Oo nga.
I cut it into halves. Hati lang tayo. And lemonade. On purpose yan, ha? Isang baso lang pero 2 straw. How sweet, diba?
Thank you. Alam niyo po, it is normal for a husband and wife to share in a lot of things. Honey, we share our feelings and emotions. We share spiritual intimacy by praying together. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang sharing of physical intimacy.
Claire, wag mo din kalimutan, we also share intellectual intimacy.
That's right.
When we engage in thoughtful conversations such as this, diba? Very intimate, diba? And Claire, recreational intimacy when we do our hobbies together.
Pero alam mo, Han, para talagang laging napag-iiwanan ang sharing of financial intimacy.
Pag-usapan natin yan.
There is really something about money talk that makes most people very uncomfortable kahit nga mag-asawa pa yan.
It happens, no?
Alam niyo po, what a husband and wife need to understand is we also need to share financial intimacy. Mahalaga po yan sa pagsasama.
Sharing financial intimacy means sharing private financial information. Tulad halimbawa, Claire, ng magkano yung salary mo, magkano ang income expenses mo, yung mga investments, passwords, bank account number, etc. and so on and so forth. Ibig sabihin, Claire, dapat meron tayong transparency and honesty when it comes to money.
Alam nyo kasi, may mga kilala po kami na mag-asawa na nagkakahiyaan pa rin magtanungan kung magkano yung sweldo nila o tinatago pa nila, di ba? So sige, Han, sabi mo nga, pag-usapan natin, how can a married couple share financial intimacy? Ang unang-una po para sa akin, you have to plan together and share your dreams. Kasi po, if a married couple will be in sync sa kanilang mga goals at dreams sa buhay, then you will really work hard together. Save together. Make investment para palaguin yung pera nyo at maabot nyo yung mga pangarap nyo. Having a vision or family goal is very crucial in your relationship.
Number 2, become a partner to your spouse so she will feel secure. Dapat, Claire, mapagkakatiwalaan when it comes to money. Show your spouse that you operate in wisdom sa paghawak ng mga naipon ninyo. Dapat fair kayo sa isa't isa. Kapag nag-shopping ako, dapat pag-shopping ko din si Claire.
Sinabi mo yan, ha? Pag-shopping mo din ako,
Oo
ha?
naman.
Okay, number 3, you have to give room to some considerations. Kailangan meron kayong mutual respect and understanding.
Importante
Kasi
yan.
honey, let's face it, kahit pag-asawa tayo, we have different spending patterns and perspective. Halimbawa po ako, I might be interested in fashion. And Bong might think, it's just a waste of money. Ang mahal naman yung binili mo na yan, sobra naman yan. Or on the other hand, Bong might be interested in buying a lot of things para sa bahay. Na para sa akin, honey, waste of money kasi wala ka nang kalagyan dito, diba? Dagdag pa sa lilinisin yan. Pero you know what? As husband and wife, kailangan you have to allot room for some consideration. Kailangan may give and take, mag-intindihan at mag-unawaan kayo.
Alam mo, Claire, you are bearing too much of our soul, ha? Number 4, at ang pinakahuli sa lahat, have an open communication. Huwag po tayong mahiyang pag-usapan ng pera. The Bible says, you are now one in spirit, soul, and body. You need to have a mutual control over the money coming in and out.
Remember, your marriage is far more important than money. However, being financially intimate is very much part of your relationship.
Lagi po nating tandaan ng mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy Buhay!
Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.